In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Clipchamp effectively with the help of Google. Clipchamp is a powerful online video editing tool that is perfect for creating engaging content, whether you're making a professional video or just having fun with a personal project. So let's dive into the steps and ensure you have a smooth and creative editing experience. First, let's get started with the basics. You'll want to head over to Clipchamp. You can do this by opening your browser and simply searching for Clipchamp on Google, or if you prefer, inputting the Clipchamp URL directly into your address bar. Once there, ensure you're logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one already. Having an account will allow you to save your projects and have access to your media files easily, so make this your starting point. Next, once you've successfully logged in and are on your main dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is to navigate to your media files. This is the section where all your uploaded content, such as videos, images, and sound clips, will be stored. It's essentially your library where you'll be able to access all the elements you need to craft your video. If your media library is empty and you haven't uploaded anything yet, you can easily do so by clicking the Add Media button. This will allow you to upload files from your computer or import them from cloud storage services. After ensuring your media is ready to go, let's move on to adding captions to your video. This is an important step as captions can significantly enhance your video's accessibility and engagement. In Clipchamp, this can be achieved with just a few clicks. Look towards the upper right of the interface where you'll find the Captions option. Clicking on this will prompt a quick setup guide, and you can click Try Now to begin the process of adding captions. Clipchamp provides an intuitive method to embed text within your video timeline seamlessly. Once you've clicked Try Now, follow any on-screen prompts to tailor the captions to your project's specific needs. This feature will walk you through how to synchronize the captions with your video, ensuring they appear at the right moments. Also, consider the font, size, and color of your captions to keep everything visually coherent and aligned with your video's theme. And that's it. You've managed to embed captions using Clipchamp with a little assistance from Google. These steps make your video not just more dynamic, but also accessible to a broader audience. Carefully editing and ensuring your captions are synced correctly will enhance the professionalism of your content. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to create even more compelling videos. Thanks for watching and keep editing.